Okay, we're recording.
Alright, welcome to our specific gravity explanation. First of all, I take all metal off, take out my cell phone. If I was wearing a belt buckle, I usually take that off. All my keys out of my pockets. You don't want any metal on you in case you get electrocuted, which we're going to do our best to avoid.
And Toby, why is it you take all the metals off?
So, it's not good if you're getting electrocuted and you don't want your metal on. Alright, and so specific gravity, we've got our basic, always wear rubber gloves when I'm doing this. I also wear goggles just in case there's any splash, as there's acid, the lead acid batteries, so.
Man, but it's hot today, man. Do I really need to wear gloves and goggles and stuff, man?
Absolutely. We gotta do it the safe way, the right way, so we're doing that. So the other stuff I'm getting, I use this to put we can actually walk over here, to put the caps in so they don't fall down in between, as that's really hard to get them back up. I have a graduated cylinder here in case we need to fill any of these with water. I also have a big thing of distilled water. And here's what we're measuring the specific gravity with, is these things. So,
these look like car batteries, man.
Slightly different than car batteries. Those, if we were using car batteries, they would go dead in a day. These are deep cycle, meaning they're meant to be pulled down, the charge pulled down low and then pumped back up. So they're also a lot bigger than the car batteries.
Okay.
All right, and when we're doing this, we always have two people doing it. So one person can be taking the measurements and another person can be writing it down, and also there just for general safety, just in case something happens. It's always good to have someone else there to help. So, all right, so each of these batteries has 3 different cells. And yeah, putting the caps in here. This part, it's important to try not to drip. Well, try not to get any extra things down in here. We don't want extra bad things floating around in the battery. But, alright, also as you fill this up, try not to drip too much on top of the battery. We can wipe it off, but. Alright. So, we can see here, we're reading it. It's in this battery cell is in the green zone, which is great. We had just done the equalization, so these are at the prime time for us to do the specific gravity tests. So this one is at 1.275, which is in the green, which is great. Sometimes we have them in the white, which is still all right, but it's best when they're in the green zone. So that's cell A is on the negative side, cell B here in the middle, and cell C is on the positive side. This one's 1.265, also still in the green zone. And the final cell is 1.255. Alright, so if I do drip on the battery, we do have some paper towels and we can just wipe it up, and that's again why you're wearing the gloves, is just in case the acid, you don't want to get that on your hands or clothes. I have got it on clothes that aren't the gloves, and it'll burn right through it. So that's why we're wearing the gloves, because of the acid. So this battery's done. We will write down the numbers. Charles is helping me today write down the numbers. And
will that conclude our...
That we have to do that with all 16 batteries, so it's kind of time consuming, but we do this about once a month. And that's in general how we do this, the specific gravity. Just have to do it with all the safety gear and make sure you got a partner.
Yeah. And that concludes our specific gravity video for the day.
Yes.
Thank you very much from the Eco Center in Harris Head Park. Okay.